It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this bob headband wig. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, this unit is from Myfirstwig. I got there, and here I'm just unboxing it, but I wanted to let you guys know the quick details. This is their Yaki 10-inch headband bob unit. So yeah, I'll let you guys go ahead and just watch the rest. Also want to let you guys know that I did experience minimal tangling and a little bit of shedding with this unit. I love how like it fits, like it doesn't fit like super tight, but it does fit like to the point where I feel secure, which is using the middle comb, because I don't want to put too much like tension or anything on my real hair, so I don't like using like all the 3 combs. So I feel like it's a good size to where it'll like, I don't know if what I'm saying is making sense. Oh, it basically like it feels like it's not going nowhere. Like I don't feel like she just gonna come off basically. So I did show you guys the headband that it came with, but I'm going to use these other ones. I've been addicted to buying headbands lately, and I got sent some headbands from Amazon sellers, so I've been just trying out different headbands, and today, since I'm wearing gray, I'm just gonna put on this gray one. I'll leave the link to this headband set in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that one on. One thing I will say about these headbands though, they fit a little bit tighter. I do have a larger size head though, but they do fit a little tighter, so just keep that in mind. But however, it does fit, and I love the coverage that it has too. So it's nice headbands, but just keep in mind that they will fit a little bit tighter, which I don't mind, because I don't like when my headband, like I feel like my headband is like sliding and stuff, sliding back and stuff. Okay, so this is what it looks. I need to back the camera up a little bit. But anyway, so I'm just gonna comb it out, because I kind of just like flat ironed it and bumped it a little bit. So this is what it looks like. I was really glad that it actually looks like a bob on me, because you guys know like I have a shorter neck and I'm short, so sometimes the bobs, like they never look like bobs on me, but this one actually does. So I really was happy and pleased with that. So I am gonna freshen her up a little bit with my flat iron, so you guys can see like, you know, kind of like the full effect. But yeah, so this is how she pretty much looks on me, and I'm just gonna take random sections and kind of like straighten it. I don't really want too much of a bump. I feel like I bumped it really hard the first day. I mean, it's cute, but I don't know about all that bumpage that I had going on. Oh yeah, and this flat iron is the one from Sally's. I'll leave it in the description box below, but you guys know I have a more affordable one that I absolutely love, which is the Remington one from Amazon. I'll link that one in the description box below too. This one is not too expensive. It's like $100 and something, but it works like amazing. But I'll leave both of them in the description box below in case like whichever one you guys want. I've used the Remington one in multiple videos, so you guys get to see how it performs. Why is this not like bumping just a little bit like I wanted to? It's just staying straight. Why is this hair not doing what I want it to do? That is so annoying. So yeah, see how I have it like a little bit less bumped on this side, and you get a little bit more length. I kind of like that better than on this side. You guys can see like I kind of have it bumped in pretty good. But anyways, I just like the less bump look, because I don't know, I feel like when a bob is like too bumped on me or like too short in certain areas, it could tend to just age me a little too much, and I don't like that. So okay divas, so I have done my makeup and everything, so I wanted to quickly tell you guys how I feel about this hair. So I think that is really cute. It's a really cute headband wig. Now I did do a affordable bob headband wig lookbook, so you guys should definitely check that out. I will have a link in the description box below. As far as this one, I don't feel like the price point is too bad, but it just depends on whatever like you would like to spend on a unit. And I don't even remember the price point. It's like roughly like around $100, but it just, I don't know, to me it just always depends on what you want out of the wig and how much you're willing to spend. In my personal opinion, I definitely feel like it's worth the money. The texture is definitely different. I thought it was going to be like a silky texture, but this one is definitely on the yucky side, which I don't mind because the more texture the better it is, the more natural it will look on my hair. So overall, I really do like this headband wig. I feel like it's really cute. I probably should have went with like a 12-inch though, so that I can make it a little more versatile. Like I could have add like and do like a flip hairstyle or something. I don't know. I feel like with the 10-inch I'm really limited, but overall it is a very nice unit. As I told you guys before, there was a little bit of shedding, no tangling, because it is like a really short hairstyle. And yeah, overall I do like it. Is it worth your money? I think so. It just depends on you though. And yeah, this wig is really cute. I feel like it looks really classy, and it's super beginner friendly because it's a headband wig. I am loving this trend. I hope that you guys are not tired of it, because I definitely am in love with the headband trend. But yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I definitely will leave a link down in the description box below so you fabulous girls can purchase one if you would like. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to chat with you fabulous divas. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Would you buy it, or would you just get like a dupe for it? And don't forget to go ahead and check out my affordable bob headband wig lookbook. I will have it linked in the description box below. And yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my upcoming content. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.